What is up mga chaps? Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. And yes, we are looking at the CF Moto SR300. So ang SR300 ay naka 292.4cc single-cylinder engine na capable of 28.6 horsepower at 8,750 rpm and capable of 25.3 newton meters of torque.
Alright, so yan, nakita nyo sa thumbnail yes, ito, pag-uusapan natin yung mga kapatid. Ang CF Moto 300 SR. Alam ko medyo late na tong vlog na to about 300 SR. Kasi nga, it's been out of the market for at least 2 years or, yeah, good 2 years na. Pero, I think it's possible for me, no, para i-tackle din tong bike na to and tell you how I think about the SR300. Alright mga chapi, kita nyo naman, eto na agad yun. If there's one thing that I would love about this bike, eto na yun, yung front end nito. Napakasimple lang, di ba? May mababa lang yung kanyang wind protection, yung kanyang windshield. Pero look at this. Tingnan mo kung paano ang itsura niyan, gaano katalim yung bike na yan. Let's always start with the front end. And by the way guys, this is a sport bike. So, alam nyo na, ito yung gumagamit ng CF Moto na inverted, radial mounted na, ano ba to? J1 ba to? CF Moto, na caliper. Radial mounted na yan mga chapi. And a single disc sa harapan, of course, ABS. What I like about how CF Moto do when it comes to their sensor, medyo malapad siya, no? Unlike yung mga ibang nakikita natin ABS sensor, medyo maliit. This one is bigger than usual. So, hindi siya naka-floating. Mukha lang naka-floating itong kanyang disc, pero hindi ito naka-floating. This is still a one-piece disc brakes. And, yun. Ito siguro medyo tatanggalin natin to. I really don't like this one's reflector. But those are made for safety, by the way. Pero in my case, what gives? Diba? Ang ganda ng front end niya, mga chapi. And look at this. Tingnan nyo itong headlamps na to. Napakatalim na. It looks like a Viper to me. I don't know about you guys, pero ako tingin ko parang parang mukhang sawa o kaya Cobre, di ba? Ganyan yung itsura nyo. Tapos yung kanyang daytime running light, napaka-unique. Giving it more dimension. Tapos yung kanyang, ano ba tawag dito? Kanyang side mirrors, nice and thick. This is solid, by the way, mga chapi. This is metal or some sort of a heavy plastic. Pero malamig eh. Tingin ko this is metal. Plastic but it's nice and beefy. So pagdating sa tank section, this is carbon fiber effect, but I don't think this is a real carbon fiber. It does feel like one, pero I think this is hydro dipped to carbon fiber plastic, things like that. So, pagdating naman dito sa kanyang mga switches and wires, ito ay wrapped. I'm not sure mga pre kung ito ay, oh yeah, this is still braided lines. There you go, maganda na. Tapos siyempre naka TFT display. Diba? Wow. Naman tayo mga chapi sa rear. So yan yung kanyang rear end. Ito yung kanyang kanyang signal light. Stop light dito sa atin sa Pilipinas kung tawagin yan. Ito yung mga signal lights niya, left and right. Ito, I like how this beak goes, going there. Parang ang streamline niya, ang nipis niya lang. The main problem with this, kung ako ay magsa-sport bike, tatanggalin ko na talaga yan. Tapos, tail tidy. That's the usual setup naman talaga, di ba? Tail tidy na yan. So let's take out the tires. Ito ay gumagamit ng CST tires. Radial, 140 by 60 by 17. Not bad. But this is a 300cc, so this is the ABS sensor din sa likod. Single piston na caliper. And still braided lines. Yep, it is still braided. May coating lang siya na plastic. But if you squeeze it, yeah, this is really still braided lines. Wow. CF Moto. So, this one is missing an exhaust. Kasi siya ay naka-underbelly exhaust, no? So, Alam mo naman tayo mga Pinoy mahilig sa tambucho. So baka yan, isa sa hanapin natin. Pero pagdating dito, gusto ko yung taas ng kanyang tangke dito sa kanyang upuan. Foam for the seat is, wow, malambot. Same, generous for your billion. Grabe, ang ganda ng full package, ano? Ang tibay mga brad. Ito, dediretsoy ko na kayo. Kung ito naging 400cc, syempre, kagaya nga ng sinasabi ko, kalimitan. Hindi naman lahat, pero kalimitan, my own personal opinion. Kasi ako gusto kong tumagos ng highway. Though this is a sport bike, pero gusto ko itong ilusot sa highway. And sad to say, this will fall short. Pero I don't think so. Mali na. Hindi rin ako talaga masaya doon sa rule na yun. I think 250cc would be enough in the expressways. But yeah, it's their rule. There's nothing we can do about it. Alright. So, ito na. Ang pinakahihintay-hintay nyo. Let's do the pogi check. Wala akong keys. Hindi magagasgas ang motor na to. But we're gonna sit on this. Again, kung bago ka sa channel ko, I am 5'7". Sitting on the SR300 CF Moto. Wow! Seats, yung seats medyo, siyempre this is a sport bike. Makapal siya pag pinundot mo, pero if you're sitting on it, there's medyo matigas na konti. But of course, this is a sport bike, guys. Gaan, I would compare this to the SR450. Parang mas magaan yung SR450 ng CF Moto. So, hindi ako tipid. Slightly, no. I am flat foot. For 5'7", flat foot ka kay SR300. Sitting stance ko, yung aking sitting position mga pare, this is aggressive, but not too much. No? Hindi siya ganun ka-aggressive. So ayan mga pre, this is the sitting position. Makita nyo naman, medyo aggressive yung sitting stance ko rito. Of course, this is still a sport bike. So, what level of comfort are you asking me? Clutch, surprisingly mga chabi, sobrang lambot ng clutch nito. Yeah, ito. Wow. Nice and squishy. Ito yung kanyang mga buttons. Kanyang buttons for the mode, horn, signal, turn signals, and bunch of buttons out there. Ito yung kanyang on and off switch, kill switch, and hazard light. Wow! Alright, so usapang presyo na naman tayo sa SR300. This is 196,800 pesos. Yes, you heard me right. So with that price point, mapapaisip ka, will you go for a 150 sport bike or will you go for a full-on 300 beginner bike? Kasi, to be honest with you mga chapi, from 150, yung pinaka-beginner sport bike nyo is gonna be a 300cc. Most likely on the European and the US countries. Yun yung mga entry-level bikes nila. I would compare that to the Honda CBR 150R and pwede ko rin itong i-compare sa Yamaha MT-15. R15. So, look at that, guys. So, yun lang mga chapi. You'll be the judge of that. To be absolutely honest with you, subjective kasi ang usapang pera mga chapi. Saan ka? CF Moto SR300 or those bikes that I mentioned? In my case, I'll go for this one. Alright? So, hindi natin ito pahabahin pa mga chapi. Marami pa tayong bikes coming from CF Moto na i-feature for today. So, standby ka lang dyan. Kung di ka pa naka-like and subscribe sa channel na to, please consider doing so. And remember, I love you, God loves you, and I'll see you guys on the next content.